Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. As you can see, I'm working on the seat there. And I'm going to put the seats in there that Olie and Lina would put in here. Yeah. But something to do with fishing. It's going to be a temporary thing until I can figure something else out or something. Or it'll be in here for a while. You know, sometimes you do things temporary, and because I'm such a big guy, you know, I'm damn near 7 foot tall, and size 18 shoes and bulletproof. So it's one of those things where you work with it, you know. So what we're gonna do is, I built the frame here, you know, on a 1.5 by 1.5 angle iron and 1.5 by 1 inch tubing. You know, I mean, it's really tough. It's not going anywhere. I had to go high with it because, believe it or not, I barely fit in here. I'm glad this ain't no earlier truck, you know, because 39 to 47 was this style. So, anyway. So what we're going to do, after I drop you guys here, yeah, I figured that stand wouldn't hold nothing again. Using my cheapy stand today. Cover for it. There's our seat. No, I'm just kidding. There's a seat that goes above the seat. That seat goes so you put your seat on, because that seat will do. Oh, never mind. I'm not going to go there. Alrighty. Looks like. Well, let's just see here. Let's put this back maybe a little bit. Like that. Let's drive a screw in this doggy. We're going to put a screw in on this side. Alright. So, oh, I don't have my bit out. I thought I had my bit out. I thought I had my bit out. I gotta go grab it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I believe that's the number 6. That requires. Okay. Now I just dropped it on the floor. Don't know where it went. There it is. All right. Let's put one here. That's always nice. Why would it do that? Come on. bit falls out of the drill. Like they always do. Maybe these aren't the right ones to get. Can't find nothing shorter. Alright. Let's get the bit package out here. Set that up on top. Around. Let's see what we did. What? Yay! Okay. How did that happen? Yeah, I see it. All right. It's going to be too long. Ready to pre-drill them. So why would that do that when I bit? Because the coating on the screw must be screwed up. Okay, I'm getting bummed out here. I don't know where it went. The tire will find it though. Wow. She's gone. Absolutely gone. Okay. I don't want to use them anymore. I think they suck. They tell you what bit size, you go get one, you buy the good bit, and you still doesn't work. long it takes to spit this one out. Well, it didn't spit it out anyway. That's good. That one right away and didn't even get a revolution on it. Yeeps. I get a magnet to get a dashboard, huh? Yeah. There we go. Jesus Christ, there's a big scratch in it. What am I doing wrong here? Dump pile the other way. Money spent. On junk. Let's see how long this one takes. Let's keep going across it, I guess, huh? God, dang it, this violent. Man. Man. Woo! Jeez. I can't see it, but I got them all marked. Well, that ain't gonna work. What the heck is going on here? Yeah, I should probably use different screws. All right. Okay. Okay. Come on. There we go. That one out. Yeah. I made her. All right. if you can't get them off, then we'll have to grind them off. Right. Okay, let's get this shit out of here. So yeah, so we got her that far. Got all the screws driven in the top plate. Okay. Now, oh man, I wish I had better distance here, but I don't. All right. Could just as well put a pad on that and a pad in the back of it and call that a seat. And maybe I will. Maybe I'll put some bars on it and get some springs and we'll see. So, let's do this. All right, next one. Foot off the cord. There we go. Okay, it's nice and hot. Can't find the. There it is. Oh, come on. There we go. Perfect. Not gonna come through. Alright. We are getting there. We're getting somewhere anyway. Oh, man. I can, we'll stay there. We'll follow her. Maybe I'll follow her. Probably will. Yeah, probably will. Either too high or too low. Okay. I'll put her on too low. There we go. Alright. Now. Let's see what we can do here. See how we can screw it up, huh? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. There we go. Okay. Put my hand in the air. Geez, I feel like a one-legged man. Oh, there it goes. I figured it was gonna fall. I figured that. They make a camera stand that can't hold a camera. Oh, you gotta love that. Okay, that's just so nice, you know, when that happens. Let's see. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let's see if my shoulder can knock it over now. Probably will. Hey, not knock the light down. God darn it, it's going good today. Just can't go wrong today. Jeepers. Reapers. Having bad luck today, guys. Thank God it's not terrible. Anyway, let's get these 4 holes drilled so we can mount our awesome bucket seats on there. And they're going to be temporary until I can find the right guy to build me something. But they're also going to serve the good purpose of keeping your butt nice and comfortable until then. Come on, Gilbert. There you go, buddy. Big frame's probably in the way of the camera, but next time, if I ever buy a camera stand, I'm going to say, hey, does the camera work on that camera stand? Make sure that my lousy pound camera or whatever it is, I should weigh it once. If it fits there. Okay, where is that? Adjacent to that. Must be right there somewhere. Okay. Alright. Perfect. Oh. Put you on pause here for a minute, guys. Alright, I'm gonna go fishing. Oh wait, no, I can't go fishing yet. I got stuff to do here yet. Since I can't go fishing, then I'll put boat seats in. All right, we're gonna get them here. We gonna get them. All right. All right. Which side is that? That's that side. Okay. Well, let's find out where they go. Oh, that's all right. You're too short now. Probably. Probably just can't find where to go. That's probably what it is. Maybe. Maybe not. Huh. Yeah, I don't think that's right. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on pause while I find where things go. All right. Well, there they are. There they are. Looks okay in there, don't it? Looks like that'll work for now. Yeah, I'm gonna put some black vinyl over this, you know. I think they'll do just fine. Boat seats. Let's see, I wonder what this view looks like. Here, let me adjust this up because. Huh. Look okay. Yeah, let's see once. Let's look from this side. There's no steering column in the way. I think that'll work for now. They're red and black. They kind of match the truck. So, yeah. See, I had to have a seat where my butt went all the way back here, my buttocks, or my ass, in other words. And then my back had to be up against the wall there, like it always is. And then, so I can get my long legs down and knees here and down to the foot pedals. So, I had to settle for this. So anyway, but I think that'll work for now. It'll work for a long time. And then you got room here for you can put drink holders in here. You know, on each side. You could put your newspaper in there. Oh, wait, no, that's in the house, I guess. But, yeah, so I think that'll that'll look okay, I think, for now. I've had mixed opinions on it. And yeah. But see, the other seats I had too, when I had to put them 8 inches off the floor here. That's why I built that stand, that stand, because I had to get off the floor at my butt. So when you raise your butt up, then your legs, if this is my leg and my knee, and that way, otherwise you're like this, kissing your knees. Or if you raise your butt up, then you start to do this routine. And that's what I had to be. Then I had to have my butt all the way back as I could get it. And have my back all the way back I can get it. So I can drive this thing comfortably. I want to drive it comfortably. I don't want to get cramps, and if you're driving a car, you got to be comfortable. Okay? That's the end of the story there. You just have to be comfortable. But anyway, I guess that's all I know. But yeah, we're definitely getting there, and what I want to do is I want to start installing my air conditioning unit, and I still don't know if I'm putting it underneath the seats or if I'm going to put it underneath the dash.